Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gelato at home without an ice cream maker. Gelato is known for its rich, dense texture and intense flavor, which comes from less fat and air compared to traditional ice cream. We'll focus on simple techniques to achieve that signature smoothness, ensuring your homemade treat is just as delightful as what you'd find in Italy. Get ready to create a truly special dessert with basic kitchen tools. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks to form the rich base. For flavor, consider a vanilla bean, a few tablespoons of cocoa powder, or a vibrant fruit puree. The quality of your ingredients truly shines through in gelato, so choose fresh options. Accurate measurements are also key to achieving the perfect balance of sweetness and texture. Next, gently heat your milk, cream, and sugar in a saucepan, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk mixture into the yolks, whisking constantly to temper them, then add the tempered yolks back to the saucepan. Cook until slightly thickened, then strain the base and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Once your base is thoroughly chilled, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe pan. Place it in the freezer and stir the mixture vigorously every 30 minutes for about 2 hours. This crucial step breaks up ice crystals, giving your gelato that characteristic smooth, dense texture. After 2 hours, it should be firm but still scoopable. Serve your delicious homemade gelato immediately to enjoy its peak flavor and creamy consistency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.